to Tax Chats, focusing on all things international tax. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at transfer pricing, but from an outbound perspective. Transfer pricing is part of what we do at our international tax and transfer pricing team here at RSM, so it's something we see a lot of on a day-to-day basis. Outbound transfer pricing is when you have foreign subsidiaries of Australian companies and looking at the transaction flows and how those transactions should be priced. So one of the most important things is setting up a transfer pricing policy. It's usually best done right at the outset, and it just gives kind of clear guidance for everyone involved about how they should be priced on an ongoing basis. Year on year is consistent, and it also ensures that the tax risks are being managed between the two different tax jurisdictions. So it's a really important thing to get started on, and the earlier the better. One of the other things on transfer pricing on an outbound perspective is also making sure you've considered the controlled foreign company rules. So there are Australian CFC rules, and these are attributing income of those foreign subsidiaries back into the Australian tax net. Now, these rules operate each year, so when you do your tax return, you should be performing active income tax calculations or attributable income calculations if required. And all of these things and disclosures will go on your international dealing schedule, and that will get lodged alongside your tax return. So when you're looking at maybe exiting the Australian market and trying out some new markets for the first time, or if you have established operations overseas, getting your transfer pricing support and documentation in order is a really important element. The other important thing is looking at the CFC disclosures and then making sure that all of them are properly disclosed in your international dealing schedule before you lodge your tax return. So they're just a few tips and tricks on some of the things that we see on an outbound perspective. Let us know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Tax Chats.